right, it is time to play musical cars. God dang.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, make sure y'all buy our merch, all right?
You gonna have people saying some stuff about that, homie. Whoa.
Put the pressure on. You know what I'm saying?
Heck no.
Gotta lay the seed. Gotta lay the seed. Stain domination down.
Stupid, homie. Well, make his face. Track him out of nowhere. Well, we're trying to get this crap out, homie. So we're gonna move all the cars to actually get this thing up front. So this is going. So let's get all these cars moved out the way. Let's get this thing slid out of here, and then we can get onto this. Ooh. All right, go ahead. That thing sounds so old, boy. That sounds so old. This thing is old, boy. Look at that factory, or not factory, but I think this is that dealership paint. I don't know what they call it. Pinstriping and painting. Basically their own touch. It's clean. All right, there's one more car. This one won't start now, so probably gonna put this on dollies and move it over there. Almost there, baby. Let's get it. I skipped the process, but you know, it happens. Got a mission. Let's go.
And that right there, kids, is why you knock the cords.
There's a spider that came out of there. Ah! All right, little guy. Now it's good to go. Let's butt this up. All right, that's it. We're done. Just moving the white car back this way so we can have a straight shot once he comes, hopefully tomorrow. But that is it. I know we said that we're going to get onto this, but we'll get back to that tomorrow. It did take longer than what we expected, but we're good on this. So, see you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Shop cleanup.
Oh, shoot, I scratched the car.
Wash the car, homie.
Oh, this is it. That's what a water bed feel like.
God dang. Time to upgrade on canopy, huh? My butt cheeks is getting wet. See if I can get this. Oh, that was random. Man, all by myself. Let's see if I got this. On the rollers, baby. Let's get this thing out of here. Bye-bye, Mach 1. I don't even gotta go. I'm cool.
All right, y'all. Today, plans is pull the motor, or drop the motor, I should say. But can't really do that because Boog don't know how to control his power. So
I wonder who did that. It wasn't me.
it was. I asked the lady. She said we could return it, and they'll give us a new one. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't want to sit back and wait for it. You know, go online, order a wheel, and wait a couple weeks to come get it in. We got to do it now. So, got to go to Harbor Freight. Go ahead and get our tools. So, let's go. That fast. Already got a new hoist. We're about to build it up. So, you know what that means. Today was a wasted day. Well, not so much wasted because we got our tools back, but yeah, this is exactly why you pay for the warranty when they ask. Yes, when you bring it back, no questions asked. Here you go, sir.
So, this camera stand broke.
Hey, it's at its end of its life anyways.
That one broke, so we had to bring our old method back. I like that though. Yeah. Let's get started, baby.
that go, Boog? Why don't you show me?
Hey.
But we kind of put this on first when we're supposed to put this on first.
Whose bright idea was that?
We blame everything on Trav, so.
I'm always to blame.
Hey, I did see Trav pick up this big old arm right here. Trav picked it up and he's like, Boog, hold the end over there so I can slap this on.
But that is a perfect example on why you read the directions. Something like that. Hey, but as a mechanic, everybody always knows at the end, it's always good to have extra because why? Weight reduction.
We don't need
not
weight
good to have
reduction.
extra bolt.
Hold on. We extra dumb because it's supposed to go down here.
Yeah, it's supposed to go right here. Not there.
Book starting the Wizard of Oz with that.
I think I'm just tired. I've been up since like 4 o'clock this morning.
Okay, that's the excuse for going over here.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, it's supposed to go down there.
Yep.
So
I guess we'll just throw this out the window and call it a night. We don't really need this anyway.
we gonna push it from down there. With our legs only. Oh man. Well, get to it, man. Let's go.
Here go the tube.
So that's the end of the night. Man, beautiful Pittsburgh. Yeah.
$43. That's it. Just get your warranty. And after year 2, you just hit it with a sledgehammer.
What are we doing tomorrow?
About to pull the motor out, trash the car.
Wait, what? Pulling the motor out again?
Now we're gonna drop it. We're gonna disassemble the K-member bolts. Just the 8 bolts. Drop it down a little bit. Get that booster out.
What he's trying to say is lower the engine and get the brake booster out.
And from there, bleed the brakes, reverb the power steering.
And playing.
I'm about to call AutoZone, see if they got them. And if they don't,
We're screwed.
junkyard we hit.
Junkyard dogging.
Woo!
3 Mustang Cobra.
The Mustang Cobra?
Yeah.
Is it hydro boost or vacuum boost?
Hydro.
Hydro.
For that, there's the Durlap remanufactured at $185.99. It has lifetime warranty. It does not come with the master cylinder, but we don't have one here. We'd have to order it.
Oh, is it a special order?
No special order. We'd have to bring it down from Riverside, so that takes about a day.
Oh, so it's not at the hub in National City either?
No, so the only store is Riverside.
Dang.
We back.
Yes, we are. And we're not going to use the engine stand or the engine hoist. We're going to use this thing. I don't know the correct terminology for it. All I know is it's an engine holder. It holds the engine in place. So we're going to call it the engine holder. It might be the correct terminology, but who knows. But we're going to use this, drop the motor down about 4 inches. Hopefully, that'd be enough to get the booster out. Get the booster out, we're going to get a new one. And hopefully that solves it, because if you don't, you're going to be out of pocket $130. So let's get to it and do it, homie. All right, so this is the plan. We're going to lower the motor ever so slightly. And then in order to do that, we got to take the K-member bolts out, which is 8 bolts. 2 15s on the back side, 2 18s on the front side. We're going to lower it, and hopefully that'll be enough to get that out. So now we're going to get to it and do it. Let's get this out, man.
Looking real light skin. Man, why was that so fast, Trav? It's almost like he set that up.
That's the power of cameras. Oh, don't get brake fluid on the paint. Whoops.
Oh, you're damaging the paint.
Oh. I gotta take the master cylinder off, get it going.
Dang. Look at that empty spot, though. Finally got that thing out because we use this method to lower the motor a few inches, but we got it. And messy dude, Trev. Look at the mess he made. And he be talking about me. Man, we supposed to be Mustang guys. We pulling up in a Prius, a Honda, and a Mazda up to AutoZone.
We don't discriminate. Look, we got the Mazda, the Honda, the Toyota.
Maybe the gas mileage.
Let's order this part.
This one has what's it called on it?
This is exactly why we didn't want to order it from here.
That right there, kid, is why you bring the core in.
Or you go to the Ecology.
Nah, that's too much. Have a headache to go to college.
Alright, there you go, buddy. It's recording.
Oh
now.
my gosh.
So it's kind of 8:30 tomorrow.
That Chris Brown bumping in the background.
Yeah, man. We gotta meet that. Tell him to stop there.
Well, brake booster's coming in tomorrow.
It's coming. I can't show you because the number's on there, but it's coming.
Yeah, and we're gonna be posting the video tomorrow, so we won't put it on until next video, which is next week. But we'll post it on time this week because we were doing we did a shop cleanup. Got rid of the Mach 1, did a shop cleanup, and then tried to finish what we had to do with the Mach 1, getting it started. So I guess we'll end it here. See y'all next week.
Stang deep.
We out.